Good morning, all of you. Today's session is dedicated to all lovely mothers. Mother's Day is an occasion which is celebrated to express respect, honor, and love for mothers. In India, it is celebrated on second Sunday of the month of May. Being a mother means keeping our children safe and sound and being supportive on a daily basis. Said that a mother understands what a child does not say. Lebanese American writer and poet Khalil Gibran said, "The most beautiful word on the lips of mankind is the word mother." So, for all sweet mothers, let us bake a quick mug cake. Ingredients are milk 3 tablespoons, cooking oil 2 tablespoons, desired amount of honey, 3 tablespoons maida, pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/4 tablespoon baking powder, vanilla essence. Let us mix dry ingredients carefully. All the dry ingredients are mixed so that all the material mix properly. We can use normal wheat flour instead of maida. After mixing it properly, leave it. Now add the oil to the milk. Then add honey according to your taste. It may be 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons according to your taste. Now liquid ingredients should be mixed separately. Add the dry mixture to this liquid mixture and mix it well. Dry mixture should be mixed with the liquid in the proper way. Slowly add all the dry mixture into the mug and mix it in the way in which lumps are not formed. Make it sure that no lumps remain in the batter. Beat it for around 5 minutes and see the consistency. It should be like this. Now add few drops of vanilla essence. It can give a good taste and aroma to the mug cake. Mix it well again. The main part of this baking is the mixing the batter. It should be mixed thoroughly and very properly. Remove all the batter from the spoon carefully. Yes, it is removed. It will take little time, no problems. Now keep it in the microwave and microwave it for only 1 minute. You can see that the cake is ready. Take the cup out. It looks like choco lava cake. Garnish it with walnut. At last, I want to conclude up with a quote of English writer Agatha Christie. A mother's love for her child is like nothing else in the world. It knows no law, no pity.